Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we're seeing is a continuation. You had the 13 lows, the test at 1550 half, the move up to the 200-day exponential moving average, which broke above yesterday. We had a push back down below, but we got news out of the ECB that they're buying bonds from Italy, and that really rocketed us back up another 30 handles. We made the low last night of 85. Then we went and we did 30 handles off of that. So as I said yesterday, the volatility is still in this market. And all the admonitions I gave you yesterday, if you're a new trader, if you aren't used to this kind of volatility, if you have trouble taking stops, if you have trouble being wrong, this is not the market for you. Not the market for you. A lot of people are waking up down 20 because they, either didn't put a stop on or didn't want to take a stop or got into some situation yesterday. So, the volatility is just going to continue. Now we're getting a little bit of a retrace from the 16 half highs. We've retraced about 8 handles. We'll see where this goes. The key for me remains the 200-day. If we stay above the 200-day and we close above the 200-day, then really the magnet is the green line there, the middle band. Here's your magnet. And we're so close now, I have a very difficult time not making a move up to test middle band sometime in the next couple of days. If we fail without even testing the middle band, that is a little bit of an indication of some weakness. So, the middle band coming into that 1920 area is a good area for a test, and we'll have to see what happens. The last time there was a serious test was right here at 68 half at the middle band, and the bears won that to the tune of about 150 handles. So, the bulls have accomplished a lot. They've put together a multi-day rally, but it's still just a bear market rally to a lower high unless they can start to convert areas like the middle band on a closing basis. So, that's the number one thing I'm looking out for today. If we get a morning low, does that low get bought? Do the dip buyers come in? Do they start to get back into the rhythm of buying those lows and then riding them out through the course of the day? Because that was the way to do it yesterday. We had a move down into the 70s, the low 70s yesterday. That was a buy. We held up at 85, and then we held up at my upper level, the prop level that we put in the room at 89, and that never looked back. Once 89 was broken through, that we made what we call a bias over 89. It was retested, and then the other 15 handles or so, just came and never went against you from that point on. So I'll be looking to see what happens on a morning dip today, whether that gets bought or, is this one of those hot air, Globex pops on Euro news that ends up being not as good as what it usually is. I don't know. There's a couple different playbooks that have been run over the years, and I'll be very interested to see which one plays out and prevails over the course of the trade today. All right, so everybody have a good one. There will be no webcast tomorrow. I am traveling. The webcast will be back on Thursday morning. Check us out on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I will be back Thursday morning with another webcast. Take care, everybody. Trade them well.